Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Google Maps and signing in so your places and history save across devices. Once done, make sure location or GPS is enabled and grant permission. This lets Maps center on you and provide accurate directions. Tap the search bar and type an address or place name. You're not just searching, you're telling Maps where to begin routing. Use the profile and settings to confirm offline maps and map theme so you won't be interrupted mid-route. Now you'll create a route. Enter your destination and choose driving, walking, transit, cycling, or rideshare. Once selected, set a start point and add stops by tapping plus. Drag a route on desktop to customize lanes or waypoints. Make sure to check alternative routes and the traffic layer to avoid delays. If you need planning precision, set departure or arrival time so transit and traffic predictions update. This is how you get a realistic travel estimate and choose the best path. Begin navigation by tapping Start. You'll hear voice guidance and see lane info, ETA, and upcoming turns. While driving or exploring, star or label places to save them and download offline map areas before you lose service. Once you arrive, end navigation and review your route history to refine future trips. If navigation drifts or GPS is unavailable, toggle device location, recalibrate the compass, or switch to offline maps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.